Have you ever heard of molasses bread? Well, at one of my favorite restaurants, it's one of the side breads that you can get with your breakfast. They make it homemade and it's absolutely incredible. I thought it sure would be nice to learn how to make that. So we're gonna try to do it. You need to grab 2 bowls. In the larger bowl, I need 2 cups of all-purpose flour and a cup of whole wheat flour, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of baking soda, then mix that together. In the wet ingredient bowl, we need 1 2/3 cup of buttermilk, 1 egg, and a 1/2 cup of molasses. Let's whisk that together. Add the wet to the dry. Stir together until just combined. It'll become a very thick and sticky batter. And this will get poured into your prepared bread pan. And we bake it at 325 for about an hour. I flipped it over onto a wire rack, and now you just let it sit and cool for 20 minutes. Molasses bread. Now at the restaurant, it's a little bit darker than this, but they must use blackstrap molasses. But how does this one taste? It's wonderful. It's not exactly like the one at the restaurant, but close. I'll give it a 7.4 out of 10. Which company makes the best exploding underwear? Fruit of the boom.